Hey guys, so today we made some Easter chocolate chip cookies. All we used was the Betty Crocker cookie mix, some eggs, some butter, and of course the Easter colored M&ms.
The whole thing?
Yes, the whole thing.
So much cookies.
So the first step is to take a nice size mixing bowl and add in your mix. Next, we're going to add in some butter. Next, we're going to add in the egg, and then we're going to mix everything up.
This is fun.
So once you have everything mixed up, you're going to use your utensils or your hands and roll up whatever size cookie you want to make and then add them to your pan. Make sure there's enough space in between them so they don't stick together. So as you guys can see, it's a little hard creating the cookie shape with just our utensils. So we ended up getting it, but it took a while. And then I just switched to just using my hands to create the balls because it was much faster and much easier to do it like this. Also, I didn't use any parchment paper or any oil on my pan. I found that usually is what makes my cookies better. So after we had all the cookies laid out, Hayden went ahead and added the M&ms to the top. We ended up putting them only on the top and not inside the actual mix because we didn't have that many to go around. So after all the M&ms were on, we went ahead and used the instructions on the packet to cook them in the oven. And when they came out, this is what they look like. So now I'm going to take the cookies off of the cookie sheet and just add them to this plate. I do not have a cooling rack, so yeah. And then I'm gonna flip this one just so you guys can see what my cookie looks like underneath. So you know they're not burnt, nothing's wrong, the pan didn't hurt them, blah, blah, blah. Good, pretty, right? Okay, so go ahead and plate up your cookies and then you're done. That's it. Okay guys, that's it. I had fun making these cookies with my kids. I hope you guys do too. Catch you in the next video.
Bye!
Bye!